Hey everyone, Chad Bussanich here, Engineering Manager at SuperSprings International. If you've been searching for a way to support heavy loads, reduce sway, and stabilize your vehicle, you've probably come across SuperSprings. But what exactly are they and how do they work? Well, let me explain. SuperSprings are self-adjusting helper springs made from high-grade SAE 5160H steel. What makes them unique is their patented dual roller shackle design, which allows them to automatically adjust to the load on your vehicle. They work with your existing leaf springs to provide extra support and control. Here's how they help. When your vehicle is loaded, SuperSprings engage to reduce sag and improve handling. They help keep your truck level, making it safer and more comfortable to drive even under heavy loads. SuperSprings are easy to install and require no maintenance. There's no need to replace your factory springs or add complicated systems. Just bolt them on and you're ready to go. From work trucks carrying heavy equipment to RVs and tow trucks, SuperSprings are designed to handle a wide range of applications. They provide stability, reduce body roll, and improve driver control. So what are SuperSprings? They're a simple, effective solution for improving your vehicle's suspension. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or want to remove sag, SuperSprings delivers stability and performance that you can count on. Thanks for watching, and as always, journey better.